I'm back. Oh my. Anyway, I found a cord. I hope was going to work. And give it to me. And I'm going to cut this off right here. And see if we got what I need. I hope we got here. If we do, we do, we do. And I cannot find. Well, they're always on the floor. I got 3 cats. I had told you people this before. Okay. I like to take them and I do believe this is exactly what I need. Just like that. Okay. Okay. We will see. Now I have another one around here someplace that I trust for a little bit more. Okay, we put this in. Okay. I need a little screwdriver. Munchkins. They come by every once in a while and give me some of the tools. Say what? Okay, this round. Right. Oops, let's get some undone here first. Yeah. Come on. Believe it or not, can come in handy all of a sudden. Okay. Yes, it can but some people are saying no, you don't have to. But since I'm doing this to anybody else, I just do what I want to. Okay. Yeah, I'm candidate. It will sit in there a little easier. You know, I've been waiting to put this thing together for months, but I've been putting it on the back burner. I've already filmed 2 of them, and they at first didn't go out too right good. So, because I was using my old, really super outdated iMac computer, and I do mean outdated, 2009. It's good for some things, but it's best off just to use what I have right now, and it's just as good. It's a Linux system, and I'm hoping everybody else says, "Oh yeah, that's cool." But some of you out there are going to say, "Turncoat, damn straight, come on now, I have a right to do what I want to." Right? Let's turn this puppy. I'm off camera. All right. This one here. Okay. Oh, turn down my side. Come on. What's the matter with you? There you go. There you go. Alrighty then. Now we'll put you back then. Of course, I working like this. I just need a regular screwdriver.
I don't want it.
Yeah, I think we got it. Didn't I? Wait a minute, we'll pull this one right here out and see what it is. There's a 5-volt. Output. 5 volts. Buddy. Do it. Okay, now we'll put you back in. Test this one. I'll look at this one and see. Hey, is this what I'm looking for? Hello, Chips. Yes, that was my cat. What are you doing, Chips? What? And here we got a cat. Mr. Chocolate Chips. Getting away with everything. I hope you guys seen that. He's not a bad guy. He's just very, very pushy sometimes. Okay, here we go. Hope for the best, boys and girls. As you can see, he is making his way over to my... What's my Betty? Hi, Chips. Give me a minute. Chips, stop it. I know, I love you too, okay? This may not work. I think I had one that was bad. Chips, if you don't get out of my way, I'm going to throw you on the floor. Get there. I'm busy. And there it is. But that one. Okay, turn it. Well, I had it there. Ah! Well, anyway, that part's working. This one here is the second, and it's not doing too great. Oh, it's got $1,300 in it. 1, 2. I might have to look at these guys right here. But by God, it's working. There it is, boys and girls. And there's probably one of these guys here or not, you correctly. And I do believe I did check out one of the chips that's bad, so, and I have all my other chips. Okay, so I turn that back on again. Okay. There it goes. Maybe the switch isn't on right. Okay, what I'm going to have to do is unplug it and get the old soldering iron back up and running and see where I fouled up. Did I have it? No. Where did I foul up at? I have to go in. Yes, I'm resoldering it. I might have done before. There's no stranger to that. Ow, my elbow. Checking. Yeah, really. Some of these guys just may not say, I'm not going to work right for you today. Some of this probably did not get enough solder on them. Them I would have used. That one did not have any at all on it. I don't think it does. Oops, okay. There's that maybe. Well, now, I can see this one right here. I did not start these guys. Aren't I the smart one? You see, I am not perfect after all. Now, how many more did I miss? Looks like everybody else is fine now. Well, let's try this out one more time. Okay. And there you go. They are working. Oh, my Lord. How do you like that? I did not put these here on this side. It did not solder. I wonder why. That's the time. We'll sit this one up here. Uh-oh. That's 1, 2. Oh, 8. 208. Nah, 9. Close to it anyway. What the heck? And there it is, folks. It's working like it should. But I don't like that military time right there. I've been at this thing for months to get it done. Boom. There it is. Ladies and gentlemen, the dude is now done. Okay, let's try this. Okay, that's good there. That's just the minutes and seconds. Well, it's one thing. Well, I bet you I could change that one real quick. There. 209. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as I have always said, God bless, like and subscribe, and we'll see you later for the next project soon, which is going to be right up here, right up there, on top of my workbench here, and we'll get it done. All righty then. Like and subscribe. See you later. God bless.